Hey guys, it's Matt with BleepinJeep.com, and I've got a problem. And that problem is that my wheels and tires are straight, but my steering wheel, as you can see, is upside down. Well, today we're going to solve that, and I'm going to show you how. But first, check out my website, BleepinJeep.com. We've got all the best off-road videos on YouTube, none of the boring stuff, hats and t-shirts, all kinds of great stickers and discount coupon codes for you, BleepinJeep.com. Make sure to subscribe right here to the YouTube channel and check out the Facebook page as well. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so having your steering wheel upside down can be caused by many things, but mainly it's caused by altering your suspension setup. On this Jeep I've done a lift and then I've installed a longer track bar, and all that has led to an upside down steering wheel. Now, not only is it annoying, but it also affects your turn signals. Like right now, when I go to put on my turn signals, they won't work because the steering wheel is upside down. It thinks that I'm already turning. So we're going to fix that. I've already done a video on this before, but that one was with a different kind of T setup for the suspension, for the steering, and this one is the stock setup that you'll find on a Cherokee and most other vehicles. So let's check it out. Alright guys, so the first thing you want to do is get your vehicle straight. So the best way to do this is to get way back and drive straight into your garage. You may need to back out again and drive back in without turning the wheel. That way you know that your tires are straight and your vehicle is tracking straight back and forth. Alright guys, so this is basically what you'll find on any solid axle rig. Now if you've got IFS, independent front suspension, everything is going to be a lot different. So if you're wondering what a solid axle is, that's this thing right here. It's solid all the way across. So if you're trying this out and you don't know what you're doing, make sure you got a solid axle. Now the other things you'll need to be concerned with is your track bar. So this is your track bar right here. This is your tie rod right here, and this is your drag link right here. So this is what we are concerned about, is the drag link. To find that, you want to look for the pitman arm, which is connected to your steering gearbox. Here's the pitman arm. This is what moves back and forth to steer everything, and this is your drag link. You don't want to change the tie rod length because that will adjust your toe in and toe out, basically your alignment. But what we're looking for is the drag link, and what we're going to do is loosen up this collar right here, and we're going to turn it. And basically that is going to, since we're parked on the ground, it's not going to turn our wheels. It's going to turn the pitman arm, which is connected to the gearbox, which is connected to the steering wheel. So by turning this, it's going to turn our steering wheel on the inside, and we can straighten up the steering wheel that way. Alright, so all we need is a deep socket and a wrench and a pipe wrench. Now, this happens to be 15 millimeter, and we're going to find those two nuts on the top of that collar and start loosening those. Now, if yours is old and rusty, you might want to put some PB Blaster on there, a day or two, or maybe 15 minutes before at least, on the threads here, so that you'll know they'll be able to turn. In my case, that's turning fairly easy. Okay, now make sure that you take your keys. We're going to put our keys in the vehicle and turn it into the accessory position. That way your steering wheel can rotate and is not locked up. Okay, so I've got the keys and the ignition. Everything is free to turn. The steering wheel is free to turn, so now I can go ahead and turn this. Now this is where it helps to have somebody else in the vehicle to tell you when to stop. So what you're going to do is turn this one direction or the other. And the way this works is the threads on this side are right hand threads and the threads on this side are left hand threads. And when you turn it, it opens it or closes it. So basically everything else is staying the same, but we're pushing this out this way, which turns the steering wheel. So I'm going to do a couple rotations and then I'm going to go and check the steering wheel. Now this one is really easy to turn by hand, but if you can't turn it by hand, just get your pipe wrench on there and use that to turn it. Alright, we need to go a little more, actually quite a lot more. Okay guys, once you get your steering wheel straight, all you have to do is tighten this back up and then we're done. Alright guys, we're all finished up and now we have a straight steering wheel, but there is one thing I wanted to mention, and that is the tie rod end. Make sure that you have enough meat left on there for that thing to grab on. You don't want to get out to the end of here and it is a little wobbly because it's too far out to the end. So make sure you still have enough of the drag link attached, or that little collar attached onto here onto the tie rod end. Alright, so we're finished. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure to subscribe right here to find more videos just like this one. I upload 2 videos every week. Make sure to subscribe and check out the website BleepinJeep.com. We've got all the best off-road videos. We've got t-shirts like this one, discount coupon codes for all of the off-road parts that you could ever dream of. Also, check out the Facebook page if you haven't seen that already, and leave your comments and questions down below. We'd love to hear from you, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Okay guys, I hope you learned something there. I want to thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing and supporting the BleepinJeep channel. Now we've got a few options for you. First of all, these videos can be costly and take a lot of time to do. And if you want to contribute, you don't have to, but if you'd like to, the option for that is right over there. Also, we'd love for you to check out the t-shirt store. The link for that is right down there. We've got these t-shirts, this hat, and more at BleepinJeep.com/store or that link. Also, we'd love for you to subscribe to the YouTube channel. That option is right below. It's free. You get updates via email every week when we upload a new video. Also, we'd love for you to check out the website, BleepinJeep.com, or click this link right here. We've got all kinds of off-road videos. We've got how-to videos, off-road parks, and discount coupon codes, and more. So check that out, BleepinJeep.com. Alright guys, thank you very much for subscribing and supporting, and we'll see you in the next video.